Welcome to my Scoro Marketing Automation Tool Review Usage Experience. In this video, we'll dive into the key features of Scoro, how it works, and who it's really designed for. Scoro is a comprehensive business management platform with strong marketing automation capabilities, aimed at companies looking to streamline their processes and boost productivity. It offers a variety of features that cover everything from project management to client communication, invoicing, and time tracking. What sets Scoro apart is its integrated approach, combining CRM, task management, and marketing automation into one seamless tool. The platform allows you to create personalized email campaigns, automate workflows, and track engagement metrics, all while maintaining a high level of customization. You can automate your customer journeys from lead generation to post-sale follow-ups, ensuring that no interaction falls through the cracks. Scoro is particularly valuable for mid-sized to large businesses, especially in sectors like marketing, professional services, and project-based industries, where managing multiple tasks and client relationships is essential. As for its usability, Scoro is intuitive with an easy-to-navigate interface. You can build and schedule email campaigns, segment contacts based on behavior, and create automated workflows without needing to know any coding. The dashboard provides a clear overview of tasks, projects, and client statuses, making it easy to track progress and performance at a glance. Additionally, its reporting tools are robust, giving you the insights needed to adjust your marketing strategies in real time. While the learning curve can be a little steep for beginners, once you get the hang of it, Scoro is a powerful tool that can save time and help grow your business. One of the standout features is its ability to integrate with other software, such as accounting platforms and Google Analytics, ensuring that all your tools work in harmony. In conclusion, Scoro's marketing automation features provide excellent value for businesses that need a unified solution for managing marketing, projects, and client interactions. If you're a business looking to automate your marketing while keeping everything organized under one roof, Scoro is definitely worth considering.